Bring your characters to life in ultra-detailed 3D. Antonio Esparza is a 3D character artist who has worked on major franchise titles like Destiny 2, League of Legends, and Diablo 2 Resurrected. And in this course, he's going to show you his entire process for turning initial concept designs into fully fleshed out 3D characters. You'll learn to sculpt, texture, pose, light, and finally present your work. But most importantly, you'll be building a 3D character that's fully production ready and able to integrate into a larger professional pipeline. This course supports 3 distinct learning paths. If you're not so confident with sculpting, you can follow along step by step with a custom design Antonio will create. If you're interested in character design on top of 3D character art, Antonio will help you to come up with your own character from scratch. Finally, if you want to go for a more pure simulation of the 3D character artist workflow, you can take an existing 2D design and build that into a full 3D character. Each of these 3 learning paths caters to different skill levels and interests, and will help you to specialize in the kind of artwork you create. Once your character is finished, you'll learn to pose and present them in a series of compelling keyframes. There's even a bonus chapter in which Antonio collaborates with a few of his professional colleagues to make a set of fully animated shots. So whether you're interested in creating character art for a personal project or want to work on a major production, this course will give you all the tools you need. Sign up today and begin your journey at LearnSquare.com.